Today our topic is circles. First of all, definition of circles. What is the definition? The locus of the point that moves in a fixed distance from a fixed point is a closed curve called circle. Once again, the locus of a point which moves in a fixed distance from a fixed point is called circle. That is, for example, if you draw the diagram, this is the fixed point. A point is moving in all directions with equal distances. So naturally, its path will be like this. This path is called circle. Path mathematically pronounced as locus. Once again, I repeat this one. The locus of the point which moves in equal distances in all directions from a fixed point is a closed curve called circle. And what is the name of that fixed point? Fixed point is center. This fixed distance or constant distance or equal distance is called radius. Is radius. That means there is a point which does not vary, which does not change. Another point is there that always changes. Let us take up the coordinates of this point which does not move that is fixed point as AB and moving point coordinates as XY. This distance between these two is always equal in all directions R. And here also this length is R. So under this condition, distance between C and P equal to how much, sir? R. Squaring on both sides. CP square equal to R square. What is CP square? X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square equal to how much? R square. Expanding this one, or we can take this one as a formula for finding out equation of the circle when center coordinates are AB and radius is R. When center and radius are known to us, the equation of the circle can be obtained by the formula x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. This is one of the important forms of the circle. Then, as a second case, let us expand this one. Using a minus b whole square formula, x square plus a square minus 2ax, y square plus b square minus 2by equal to r square. X square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus r square equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square minus r square equal to 0. Why are you using g and f? It's a standard notation in this. G equal to minus a, f equal to minus b. Here g square plus f square minus r square. This is again a constant. I will name that one as c. So from this, r square equal to g square plus f square minus c. R equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So I will rewrite this one once again. x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus, in the place of g square plus f square minus r square, I will put constant c equal to 0. This is called standard form of circle or general equation of circle. General equation of circle. Its center coordinates minus g minus f. Radius r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. How to obtain g value, f value, c value? Here x coefficient is 2g, half of that one will be g. Y coefficient is 2f, half of that one will be f. Constant term is c. So r equal to how much, sir? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Of course, for the well-definedness of square root, this g square plus f square must always be greater than or equal to c. If g square plus f square equal to c, what does happen? This totality will be 0, root 0 will be 0. G square plus f square is greater than or equal to c. In that condition, what happens? It is a positive quantity. Suppose g square plus f square is less than c, obviously the totality will become negative. In the case of negativity, what does happen? We can observe root of negative number leads to imaginary quantity. With imaginary radius, there won't be any circle at all. Therefore, for the well-defined nature of this one circle equation, g square plus f square should always be greater than or equal to c. This is second important and major formula of circle. The first one is when center and radius are given. Center coordinates AB, radius R. This is the formula. Second formula is general equation of the circle. When equation is given to find out center coordinates and radius coordinates, this is the formula which we are supposed to apply. Students, please make it convenient to remember these two formula whenever necessary. Suppose circle equation is not known to us, we are supposed to assume circle equation. In that case, what we have to do is, let us assume the circle equation as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Its center is always minus g minus f. Radius is always g square plus f square minus c under root. Next, third formula we shall derive and we shall discuss the third one. Come on, let us take up the third formula, that is the equation of the circle. The equation of the circle whose extremities of diameter are given. Equation of the circle whose extremities of diameter are given. Extremities of diameter are given. Equation of the circle when extremities of diameter are given. When extremities of diameter are given. What does it mean? Suppose this is a circle here. A x1 y1, B x2, y2. P. A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and P coordinates are x comma y. Then how to find out circle equation? Pxy point we assume Ax1, y1, Bx2, y2 are given coordinates of the extremities of diameter. In that case, how to find out this one? Here, let Pxy be a point on the circle. Given that Ax1, y1, Bx2, y2 are extremities of diameter. Extremities of diameter. Angle APB equal to 90 degrees because angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees, which is a well-known theorem in your earlier classes. So when that implies line AP is perpendicular to P. Slope of AP M1 equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of PB M2 equal to y minus y2 by x minus x2. M1 M2 equal to minus 1. How did you obtain this? When AP perpendicular to PB, product of the slopes is minus 1. That is y minus y1 by x minus x1 into y minus y2 by x minus x2 equal to minus 1. Y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. Bring all values to one side. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is another important formula to find out equation of the circle when the extremities of diameter are given. The same formula we can write down like this also. X square plus y square minus minus x1 plus x2 into x minus y1 plus y2 into y plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to 0. In this way also we can write down this. So first formula is useful when center and radius are given. Second formula is useful to assume standard form of circle or when equation of the circle is given, and using that we can determine center and radius. Third one, when extremities of diameter are given, we can find out equation of the circle. In the entire circle chapter, these three are main important points, main important theorems which we in general we apply to find out equation of the circle in different conditions. Now, in continuation to that one, there is another form of circle equation which is called parametric equations of the circle. Actually, what is meant by parameter? The topic related to this one is originated from the topic polar coordinates. So, tentatively, we can take up Theta is parameter. What is parameter? Which prevails in both x coordinate and y coordinate arbitrarily in any Cartesian equation. So what is parametric equation of circle? Here, this is the required circle, let us say. Center coordinates x1, y. Arbitrary point coordinates, that is moving point coordinates x, y. This distance is r. Draw a perpendicular here. This angle is theta. This is a line parallel to y-axis, hence its length will be y minus y1. Because on this line anywhere y coordinate will be y1. On this line anywhere y coordinate will be y. The difference will be y minus y. And here this CM distance is x minus x1. How? On this line anywhere x coordinate is x. On this line anywhere x coordinate is x1. Or in other words, m coordinates can be taken as x comma y1. Because on this line x coordinate is y1. On this line x coordinate is x. On this line y coordinate is y1. Therefore x comma y1. So y minus y1 is length here. X minus x1 is length. So from the rectangle triangle, from triangle CMP, cos theta equal to adjacent side x minus x1 by hypotenuse r. Sin theta equal to opposite side y minus y1 by r. X minus x1 equal to r cos theta. X equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Y minus y1 equal to r sin theta. Y equal to y1 plus r sin. So, parametric equations of circle are x equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y equal to y1 plus r sin. These two are called parametric equations. And in this x1, y1 represents the center. R represents radius. Theta is parameter. If you eliminate theta from these two equations, again we will be getting standard form of circle only. That is, the equation of the circle when center and radius are known. That only we will get. This, that only we will get. This is three different forms we have studied. This is, let us say, fourth form. And in general, the second order non-homogeneous equation in x and y represents the second order non-homogeneous equation in x and y represents circle if the second order non-homogeneous equation in x and y, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a circle if A equal to B equal to 1, H equal to 0. If A equal to B equal to 1 and H equal to 0, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to how much, sir? 0. Next, next one. Next point, standard notation. S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. S1 means xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. S11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. S12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. S22 x2 square plus y2 square plus 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c. These 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 equations, we will name those ones as notation. Of course, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c only represents yes. Supported by equal to 0 represents circle. You have to remember that point. Always you need not put equal to 0. Only x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c will be denoted by s. X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c will be denoted by s1, like that. If it is supported by equal to 0, the first one represents a circle, second one represents a tangent, like that, one by one. Most of the points are there. Okay, you will come to know in next coming classes. Now, based on the theoretical points those we have studied, I will work out for model 1 problem, and for model 1 problem I will give as homework or assignment to this. Here, number 1, find the equation of the circle. Whose center is 2, 3 and radius is 5. That is our question. So, you can answer this question. What is the formula for equation of circle when center is AB and radius is R? Let us write down the formula. Equation of the circle when whose center is AB and radius is R is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to R square. A value is 2, b value is 3. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5 square 20. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 minus 25 equal to 0. x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 13 minus 25 minus 1 equal to 0. That is the equation of the circle whose center coordinates are 2, 3 and radius is 5. Similar to this, you try to solve one problem, that is, find the equation of the circle with the center 5 comma minus 1 and radius 7. 5 comma minus 1 and radius 7. That problem I am leaving that one to you to work out. And our next problem, second one, if the extremities of diameter of a circle are 3, 5, 3, 5 and 9, 3. Then find the equation. What is the rule? The equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 5 plus y minus 9 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Because in the place of x1, y1 I wrote 3, 5, x2, y2 I wrote 9, 3. Multiply x square, y into y square, minus 5 plus 3, that is 8x, minus of 5 plus 3, 8x, and 8x minus 12y, 5 3 is 15, 9 3 is 27. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 12y, 27 plus 15, 42 equal to 0. That is the equation of the circle having 3, 5 and 9, 3 as extremities of diameter. In this way, in this model, I will give you one problem as homework or assignment. Find the equation of the circle having minus 1, 3, 7, 9 as extremities of diameter. That you try to work out. With this, I will stop today's session. In the next session, we shall continue the rest of the formula. Thank you all. मैंने